theory. Oh, I was just thinking of. Whoa. I get better with the wording today. Then I know it. Then it's not enough. No, no. Even if I go to but it's very off. See, that's the game. That's how we do. It's not. That's not really. And it's yes, I know. It's a hello. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Whoa. What is this?
Testing, testing, one, two, three. Testing, testing, one, two, three. Testing, testing, one, two, three.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. China, China, China. This is yeah. Hello, hello, good evening.
Yeah, I'll just do this. What is up, everybody? Good evening, good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are watching from. Thank you for tuning in the live stream tonight. Hi. Straight away kena. Cannot lah. Appeal not approved. Cannot. TikTok doesn't allow me to do this. Hello, Mr. Grump. Thank you. What is up, guys? What is up? What is up? Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just trying something here. See if it works out. Works amazing. Doesn't work also amazing. Doesn't really matter lah. Okay, let's see some market analysis. Let me remove everything here. Let's do fresh top-down market analysis right now. Starting with the weekly key levels, very important key levels. 4,800, 4676, and then we have the daily key. We have the daily key level. 4765 and 4721. We go red color here. Hey, red. And then we make this a dashed line. We make this a dashed line. Same goes to this. And same goes to this. Perfectos. The daily has another one more here, but I think it coincides. Coincides with the weekly. Not that much of a difference. Amazing. Daily. Can see your face at times. When doesn't matter. I'm just trying something for fun. Okay, and then we go ahead, mark out zones. So this is your demand zone, and that's all on H4. On H1, this is your previous supply zone. This is your nearest supply zone, which will be the targets for tonight. On H1, we probably have a trend line from the top. This trend line has broken, trend has changed, price has successfully pushed towards the upside. We've got this bull flag on H1. Bull flag breakout point should be up here at 48.35. So this will be a targeted TP area right over phone, how many percent? 70%, bro. 70%. It's okay, it's alright. Right, everything's suggesting buys as of now. M30. M30 highest liquidity point was here. Price came, price took it out. I didn't take it out, so it's about to go and take it out right now. Ooh, gonna buy full margin ni guys. I just missed the buy entry at 47.65 that is currently running, so I would want to look for a re-entry. Re-entry I will take at 47.70. 4770. Right, ready for buys, guys. Okay, gold buy now. I'm entering the buys right now. $4770 until 4765. SL will be at 4760. I'm entering gold buy right now. TP 4782, SL 4760. TP could be at 4800, but I will go with first TP first, and then the second TP will be here 4793. Ultimate TP I want to hold until weekly. So this is a daily to daily lah. Daily to daily means 4801 TP. 300 pips. Right, TP 300 pips, SL 100 pips. That's about a 1-2. A 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I'm in. Right, I'm in. Sniped the buys running 20 pips. Voice is very low. What about right now? What about right now? I think right now it should be better. Right now the voice should be better. Okay, perfect. Amazing. Alright guys, on TikTok, join me on YouTube, yeah? I've already gotten restricted on TikTok. Twice. They don't allow me to stream. So I got to stream back on YouTube. I'll see you guys on YouTube. Join the link. The link is in WFX Capital Club. Right, for those of you guys who's watching on TikTok, I'll see you guys on YouTube. Okay, TikTok has restricted my life and they're about to probably ban me, permanently suspend me. I don't want that to happen. So join me back on TikTok, right? Sorry, on YouTube. Right, just search Wolf Street Academy on YouTube and join the stream on YouTube right now. We are live on YouTube here. Right, we've got Trump on YouTube. Alright, I'll see you guys on YouTube. Peace out, bye-bye. Fuck you, TikTok. Here we probably increase the intensity of it with the black. This one also can go a bit darker. 50% would do lah. Here also 50% would do. 50% is too much. Let's go 35%. 35% for that and 35% for this. Okay guys, everybody on YouTube, you guys can hear, you guys can see, you guys can You guys basically get everything, huh? Sound is much better. I was messing around with my sound setting, thinking it was. No worries, bro. I actually had my mic on. I set it on low volume, but I actually increased the volume right now, so you guys should be able to hear me loud and clear. Right. So guys, we are in gold buys right now from 47.70 until 47.65. SL will be at 4760. All right, and our TP we are targeting for 4800. All right, I'm targeting for price to basically give me a nice probable retest, and then we get a nice breakout here, come back for another retest, a breakout, pull back, and then we get all the way towards the upside here. Okay, so price has given us entries right now. I missed that entry, but I have entries over here. My layers are over here. I was supposed to layer a little bit when it spiked down just now. Just as I was about to do it, price already rejected. So make sure you guys have entries, yeah, for 4770 until 4765. Let me just send that as a signal as well. Trump likes cigars, bro. I gotta go and get some cigars, bro. Guys, 40 of you guys on the live. I need all of you guys right now, 40 of y'all. I need you guys to double tap the screen once and drop a like to the stream. Right, there should be 40 likes on the stream. Okay, that helps a little bit get the live to go onto FYP. Not much, but yeah, at least something. Right, something better than nothing. Thank you. Thank you. If you guys have done that, thank you. Your gold buys should be up about 40 pips right now. I'm given the chance to lay over here, guys. I'm gonna lay over here, yeah? The zone is valid until 6-5. So layer progressively. Let's try to snipe this one. Getting a little bit aggressive over here with my layers. There's a liquidity sweep on M1 happening right now. Wow. Look at her go. Wow. Wow. That was... Wow. 60 pips, guys. Wow. Wow. That was pretty intense. Wow. Yeah, 60 pips running, guys. Whoa! Wow. Yeah, we did that on live. We sure as hell did that on live, guys. 80 pips. 80 freaking pips running, guys. 2 M1s. Right, 80 pips running, 2 M1s, 2 M1s. Okay, time to cash in. Oh, 100 pips right there, boys. Your 100 pips is right there. Let's go. I'm going to close off all the highest entries right now. Holy mamma mia. 3 M1s and we done. Right, close off all your highest entries right now. That's 100 pips in the bag, yeah? 100 pips in the bag. It took us 3 M1 candles. This is not a joke. If you guys too late to enter, then I don't know what is wrong with you. Right, but this was a pretty insane setup. Right, this just defined the insanity to a whole different level, bro. Because if you tell me that it was too late, you guys didn't get an entry, I sent a signal. I told you guys on live. And I ended with you guys on live. So. Ho ho! She's still going, bro! Let's go! Let's go! Wow, that's the firecrackers. Thank you! Thank you! They're celebrating the victory of the life, babe. Oh! Let's go, bro. This is how we snipe the markets, brother man. Crazy, right? Okay, I'm gonna scale out even more here, guys. Right, can scale out even more here. I'm definitely gonna hold some runners. Right, run the runners all the way until 4800. Yeah, $2,000 is nice. Can cover the loss a bit. Not loss from trading, but loss from expenses. Ooh, 4780. Oh, the fella, yo. B said, let's go Mantap. Wait, are you in Bangsa? I can hear it too. Yeah, that's me. I'm in Bangsa. Damn, the firecrackers gave away my anonymity. Right, guys, so our first setup on live, we have already cashed in approximately a total of 130 pips. Instant, huh? Happened within like 4 M1 candles. Exactly at the point that I told you guys that I'm about to be aggressive with my entries and layer quite a bit more. that was the immediate candle that this particular M1 had its rejection. So I aggressive layered down here below this M1's liquidity sweep, which I mentioned to you guys. You can rewind back the stream and check that out. And immediately this particular candle rejected, closed above, and then boom, all the way towards the upside we go. Now my TP is at 4,800. I've scaled out of these positions. You can go ahead and place your break evens on this trade. Make this a risk-free trade. Let's find a way to get a second entry to ride this one, because I have a very strong feeling we will be seeing 4,800 tonight. Right, so we got to be a little quick if we want to get the re-entries, and that would probably happen on the M1 time frame. For now, I would probably be looking at this areas here, right? This one over here for me to take a re-entry, which will be at 47.73 all the way down till 47.67, right? This zone over here, if it comes back here right now, right? Instantly, I will take a re-entry, I will buy back high, and I will target price to go up all the way towards the upside, right? But every re-entry after this is going to be risky. I'm just going to take the risk because I'm confident about the direction, about it being bullish, about my targets being 4,800, and the only time that analysis will invalidate is if we get an M15 or an M30 closing below 47.65. So if you guys are fighter tonight, you want to end the week on a high, you want to take some risk with me, let's go. We monitor a second entry over here, and I'll try to snipe this one as well. Right? So stops will be at 47.65, and this one also, TP is the same. We target 4,800. We'll scale out at 100 pips. Okay, so monitor, the re-entry is about to happen right now. The timing, man, the timing firecrackers. That's the thing, bro. Give this guy a race. Give this guy a race. They're having some open house. I can see tents and whatnot. I don't know where exactly it is, but that guy deserves a race. Yes, got re-entry, guys. Alright, don't so sharp, don't so sharp, don't so sharp. Give us the entry first. Aye, don't so sharp, don't so sharp. Give us the re-entry first. It's 32 pips so far. So I'd like it to pull back one more time. Come on. Come on. Be the pullback. Be the pullback. Why need the face swap, bro? I mean, it's for you guys, right? You guys are entertained by this, so why not? And maybe that gives us good luck, guys. We snipe the first entry right over here. Maybe it's because of the face, right? Maybe we bring his aura to the life. We will never lose. Who knows? Right? It's all about aura, guys. It's all about aura. Too loud, guys. Is it too loud? Okay, if I reduce the music like this, can you guys still hear me though? Am I still louder than the music? Or is the music overpowering me? Just fine. That's better. Okay, what about if it's like that? It's balanced now? Okay, amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. I think we missed the re-entry, guys. Right, we came very close to the zone here. But then immediately Pice decided to push. Now I overpower. Okay, I think this is the re-entry, guys. Right, I'm going to take a re-entry here. Entering gold buys over here right now. Right, I'm taking re-entries over here right now, guys. Price has triggered the zone, yeah? Zone triggered, zone triggered. Okay, we're filling the zone, yeah? We're filling the zone nicely, yeah? Nice reaction. Continue the reaction. It's a 9:30 candle, guys. Right? Volatility should be in shortly. Wait first, wait first. Wait first, guys. Another 100 pips, then you guys can, you know, continue the fireworks. Another snipe, guys. Right, another snipe caught live. This is running 70 pips, 70 pips. 70 pips. Right? 75 pips right now. Oh. Volatility is in, volatility is in, guys. Hello. Are you hearing here, guys? If you guys could take the 75 pips just now, if you guys scalped it, this is your re-entry, round 3, yeah?
Waiting for a long night just to have a
think you might have. Thought you were in control, but I think you might have. Thought you were in control, but I think you might have. Thought you were in control, but I think you might have. Thought you were in control, but you're not.
If we break 65 for this particular buys, we've got to cut first. I don't want to see price below 65. Yeah, this could be just a retest right now, but we cannot break below 65. Right, I'm layering over here. Okay, good. Closing on M1. I like the rejection. I like the bullish closing. Go on now. Go on now. All the way up we go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Guys, 70 pips running. 80 pips running. 80 pips running. Okay, that's 90 pips. Here is where I'm going to close off all the highest entries. Right, we're running 90 pips one more time. One more time. Right, secure all your highest entries over here. Perfectos. Amazing. Amazing. 120 pips, yeah? Right, all highest secured. Holding the lowest. My entries right now is at 47.68. To pump it. It works, bro. It works. Thinking of taking another entry over here. I like the fact that M1 right now we have a left shoulder, we have a head, and we are right now forming an inverse right shoulder. So this is your left shoulder, this is your head. We are potentially going to do this and pump. Okay, I'm going to take another re-entry here, guys. Right, this is round 4, huh? Round 4, huh?
Reading between the lines of fire. You in my mind and left me high. Up in the atmosphere, waiting for me. Cause I can't find the words. Reading between the lines of fire. You in my mind and left me high. Up in the atmosphere, waiting for me. Cause I can't find the words. Reading between the lines of fire. You in my mind and left me high.
Right, I'm in for round 4 right now, gold buys.
Reading between the lines of fire. You're in my mind and left me high. Up in the atmosphere, waiting for me. 'Cause I can't Last year I thought I was dead. Swear I was straight. My ghost haunted my bed. Redemption came by the time that you fell. And you were falling into my
Not a very clean M1, boys. Right, we need to regain back this area here. Right, we've just broken below this area of support. I don't want to see candle closing below. I want to see it breaking above and going higher, yeah? Monitor your trades very closely. This is round 4, round 3, 3 rounds of successful buys thus far. This is round 4. Let's see if we can survive. The SL will pretty much be if we close below this red color line. On M15 though, so there's another 2 more minutes for that M15 candle. Let's see where we close on M15.
breathing life for the first time. This life finally has meaning. I was dead till you came back to life. You came
Yeah, I don't care a damn about the data, bro.
back to me. It happened so suddenly. With a crimson light shining through the window, glowing through the night.
That's why, bro, I've not hit SL, bro. Get it? I've had 3 rounds of just TPs, bro. World most powerful reset. Trump just posted world's most powerful reset. President Donald jumped. Donald what? Jump. Donald Trump.
I'll be out here watching the sun blow. A shell on my shoulder, it tells me secrets. Ooh, I know.
Donald Trump. That's true. Donald Trump indeed. I don't like the structure, guys, on M1. Right, the structure needs to be very much more better than this. Neither do I like the structure on M5. M15 has closed. We're still respecting our buy zone. But M15 temporarily has flipped bearish. Right, with this breakout here. I don't really like this.
She touches my soul.
So this might be a trade that will hunt SL for us to probably buy somewhere around here.
Watching the waves go. A shell on my shoulder.
But I'll still remain with my plan. If it cuts, I mean, if it breaks 46, 50, 46, 60, 47, 65, I'll cut.
I know.
Suggesting a move down here and then a pump. Let's see. Okay, I'm still holding, boys. So I'll let you know if I'm actually gonna cut. But structure doesn't look great. I can. Let's see, sometimes the fella will show signs it's about to dump, and then suddenly you see like one crazy M1 candle, boom. So if we get that boom right now, I probably close the highest entries lah. Right, or I might just close all of the entries that I've taken and wait for another proper one upon the breakout. I would consider us to still be at a break-even point right now. Right, if you guys lay it from top, lay it from bottom, entries of mine, I have like 7.3 all the way down until 6.6. So I'm at a break-even point right now. Yeah, the next entry should be at this grey color zone, bro, that I've marked out here. Right, I'm basically all blue right now, guys. Right, I am all blue right now. So if you guys want to close this trade at break even and wait for the breakout for the next entry, you guys can do that. I like what M5 has done. It's sort of a manipulation move. M15 also suggesting the same manipulation move. M1 needs to do something lah. Right, there's still time for that. I'm still holding. Let's see. Okay, if you guys are out in blues, amazing. All right, good job. I can do landscape mode, bro, but the thing is that I read online, some YouTubers suggested for me to do portrait mode because this allows new subscribers to like sort of join the stream. If I do horizontal view, basically I don't get any viewers, bro. Whoever that I share the link to, only they get to join. So this way we get to grow our community as well, one shot. So there's probably going to be new people joining the stream as well. So it's a 2-in-1 because people on YouTube, they're not binge watching videos these days, they're binge watching shorts. So as they're swiping through shorts, they might find my life. So I know it's a little bit, better if it's horizontal, but with vertical, it sort of benefits me a little bit more lah. So I'll probably just sometimes do vertical, sometimes do horizontal lah. It's a volume. 10 o'clock is looming around the corner, guys. Another 9 more minutes to go for 10 o'clock candle. That should give us volume. Okay, she's going very nicely right now. Right, this is basically area to close the highest amount, the highest layers. I'm closing the highest layers here, guys. Round 3 is running very beautifully right now. Right, highest entries all close right now. Highest entries exit here. Amazing risk management on this particular trade, man. All right, okay, let's go. So round 4, another 100 pips. Baru boleh claim. Bartholomew Rodriguez, bro. Are you good? Are you okay, brother? Like, this is out of genuinity. I'm not making fun. I'm just genuinely worried for you, bro. Why? We need his aura, bro. We need his aura. He's gone. Not surprised, lah. I hope he's good though. Wishing him the best. Contact, bro. I believe, strongly believe 10 o'clock we're going to see candle just pushing through the roofs and just pumping all the way up. Right, that is my anticipation on price action for gold. I'm not seeing any sells, guys. Right, my direction is just full bullish until we don't get a 4801. I will just fight the buys, hunt for buys, and keep buying. Right, so now on M5, we are retesting back this previous highs over here. Right, I think the moment M5 actually shows us that exactly what it did right now. This is basically already markets telling us that it's getting ready for a pump. Right, so I think there's a last retest, 72. If it comes back here again, fighter want to fight for one last buy for round 5. If you guys have money to risk, put that aside. 4 rounds of profits already. I think you can afford to take some risk. One last round of buys here. I think that should basically take us all the way up. Now, even if that doesn't happen, don't think it's going to hurt that much. Because after 4 wins, we have 1 loss. Doesn't matter. But if you have 5 out of 5 tonight, ooh, it's amazing. That will be amazing. So I think there's a one last retest. Right, this could probably be the last entry here for price to push up. Right, so fighters, you guys want to take a re-entry here? You can. Right, I've already done my part. I've got the aura of Trump on my face. Right, I can sound like him, but the voice a bit cracky, so I dumped the sound. So let's see if this helps. Hey guys, Joe, one last re-entry here. Entering gold buys right now. Okay, round 5, I'm entering gold buys right now, yeah? Amazing, ABZ. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is a risky entry, but I think this is a risk worth taking because 10 o'clock, if our analysis works out, 10 o'clock is going to be boom. Right? Instant, like, I don't know, maybe 100 plus pips. And then eventually at 10:30, we should get to our TP at 4800. If not at 10:30, 11:30, if not 11:30, 12:30, but I think 4800 should happen today. So it's a risk worth taking. I'm taking it. We have 4 rounds out of 4. So I don't think there should be any problem for us to take the risk to buy here. The zone's as low as 47.70, yeah guys. So I've entered a bit at 47.75, 50 pips. I will lay all the way down if it retraces. Otherwise, with this current 4 entries that I have, I'll just ride this up. So I hope it comes to like 72, 70 levels. That is where I can afford to be a little aggressive on my entries and layer a bit more. Higher like this, I'll probably just put like 3-4 layers lah. Okay, I believe the zone has been activated. Has it? Not yet. But I've taken entries lah. 2 more minutes, guys, for 10 o'clock. All the best. Right, 1 last minute left. 1 last minute left. I mean, even if the fella spikes below at 10 o'clock, janji dia tak break bawah 47.65, guys. Fighter fight ah. Damn, even with this filter on, his smile is damn sinister, you know. Just look at this. Okay, layering here, guys. Layering here, guys. Layering here, guys. As long as it's not too aggressive, I think this should be a nice rejection. Okay, careful ah. High risk, but risk worth taking, okay? Come on, I'd like to see the straight pump right now. Let's go. Let's go. I'm the fighter who was riffed by Movan. It's probably waiting for 10:05, guys. Right, this current 5 minutes candle is going to be very crucial. Right, this 5 minutes candle should be bullish. It should be a massive rejection and then a pump. This candle should close bullish. So if you can get a nice bullish closing on this candle, I believe the pump will happen at 10:05. High risk is still high risk, definitely. But let's see. Go on. One time. Make it easy, gold. Make it easy. Make it easy. One time. Make it easy. Guys, 85 pips are running. 85 pips running. Make it easy. Come on. Continue. Don't stop here. Continue. Go on now. Okay. Time to secure highest, guys. Time to secure highest. Don't reject when I'm closing lah. Oh, goddamn. Right, our round 5 total, we've probably bagged about 100 pips. So I've secured, when I was securing price, I was rejecting, so I probably secured at about 70 pips. I'm still holding the rest, guys. Come on, make it easy. Make it easy, gold. Make it easy. 10:05 pump. Come on. 10:05 pump. You just joined. What are you watching? You're watching a live stream on air right now, guys. We have sniped the markets 4 times in a row, and this is round 5 that's currently running 100 pips. We're trading XAUUSD gold. I'm Trump's younger brother. So I know exactly where price is about to go. So subscribe if you've not subscribed to, like if you've not liked. Let's see if we can continue this push. Trump from the moon. Okay, it's 10:05 right now. We need a pump right now, gold. Come on. Now's your time to shine. Asian market on live, I've probably done it like maybe 3 or 4 times, bro. But it's very difficult for me, bro, because mornings I am packed. It's like I'm not really trading in the morning. Unless it's like a very rare circumstance that I don't have things to do in the morning, that's when I'm trading. But otherwise, my mornings are usually packed, bro. It's a married man's life, lah, bro. You'll understand. Or you probably do understand. You understand? Good enough, bro. Come on, pump! 10:05, don't disappoint. You usually never do, lah. Okay, go. That's your 100 pips right there, guys. Right, cleaner. 5 rounds. I mean, if it comes back down to my entry, guys, I'll just set BEs. I mean, I'll just close it at break even. Because we're supposed to pump right now. If not, means then it'll probably only pump at 10:30. And I don't want to undergo the sideways for the next 25-30 minutes. I might as well find like a fresh entry. So as long as it stays above 73 for me, I will hold. If it comes below 73, I will just close all and try and find new entries lah. Go on now. Why do you wanna go? Why do you wanna go? Just go lah. You have done everything you need to do already. You're just lacking the company right now. 10 o'clock also open already. Shadow also form already. You should go, bro. You should just take off right now. I have runners between 6.9 and 6.7. Set TP at 4800. Nice, bro. We should get there. It's just gonna take some time lah. Unfortunately, I have to go out now. Today's trades for me. All 5 book profits. Well done, bro. Go out, come back. You probably see trades already hit your TPs, bro. Menda sideways tu lah, bro. Janganlah. Dia sepatutnya dah fly dah. What are you waiting for, ah? What are you waiting for? Dia nak buat macam ni dululah sebab dia dah bagi banyak volume kan. Tak juga. 100 pips je dia bagi. Dua-dua bro, dua hala pun boleh bro. Dua hala pun boleh.
Hello, please bum the markets. Please bum the markets. Please bum the markets. Let's go. The United States of America needs to pump the markets right now.
Hiyo. It's about to come back to break even lah guys. Okay lah, I think I'm just gonna close all lah. No lah, I'm not gonna close all. I'm gonna close the highest here lah. I leave 5 layers lah. No, you know what? I'm just gonna close all lah. Tak ada gas. Honestly, guys, it's supposed to fly high already. The only reason it's dumping right now that I can potentially think of is that markets would probably want to come and collect this demand over here. Alright, from 5.9 all the way down till 5.3. Is there a reason for that to happen? Let me see on H1. Maybe. Not a very strong reasoning, but maybe. Just for it to chase this particular liquidity over here. I don't think it should happen lah. We are in the formation of higher highs and higher lows still. Right, if you see on M5, from here low, high, higher low, equal highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low still over here. I think it was pretty much just to come and collect my BE and then now push up back again. Wow, the fella quite chowtud. Come collect BEs, make me close all, and then the fella fly. It's okay, M1 breaks back above. Fight again now. M5 closing how? I wanna see M5 closing how. This candle quite nice to buy actually. You know you close and she flies. No, bro. The only thing that makes sense is, I don't know, 10:30. Because usually big movement is at 8:30, 9:30, and then 10:30. These three M30 candles usually have the biggest movement the market provides lah. So 9:30 just now you saw the fella reject, and then the fella dump and then reject, push up already. But we still cannot break. So there is still this equal highs here, This one here. Oh, this one taken out already. Sorry, this equal highs here. Right, over here got equal highs. There's a liquidity. Over here the liquidity already taken out. This one done. This one the filler form equal highs here. So one time the filler is gonna pop. Alright, I give you guys a quick tip lah. I give you guys a quick tip just in case when it happens I'm not on live, right? Okay. Right now we have a liquidity point over here, right? Which is at this 47.82 level. Alright. So whatever price does here, whatever sideways that it's doing here right now, if somehow or other you guys are able to survive, catch some buys, right? When price goes up later, alright, the moment it touches this 47.82, right, I want you guys to buy high. Right, I want you guys to buy when price push up, right, when it pushes up, and when it touches 47.82, I want you guys to buy here. I would usually full margin buy here lah, because there'll be an instant pop, like that. Oh, you the fella flying lah. Right, there'll be an instant, easily 60, 70, 80 pip of a move. Okay, it might happen with us on the live like that. If it happens, means I'm probably gonna do that lah. Wow, it's quite sick, quite sick. The fella make me exit. Now the fella's pumping. Yeah, this one is definitely gonna fly now, guys. Okay, I'm buying high here, guys. Like I told you guys I'm gonna do. Alright, I'm entering buy highs here. My SL will be at 47.75, yeah? Just like I told you guys.
Heaven sending water down in buckets from her diamond colored eyes. She will stay this way forever, maybe just for one more night. Neon rays falling in the desert. If you think you need a drink, you better. I just wanna taste it.
You're still holding, amazing, bro. Good job. I will lay this all the way down till 4777. Until here. This black color line. Right, it's aggressive buy highs. Not recommended, but I usually do this lah. So I'm just doing whatever I usually do with you guys here. Aggression, volume. And there she goes. Take off now. Now. Take off. Oh, you damn difficult way. Where's the volume goal? Come on. Go on. Yes. Okay, guys, that's your 70 pips running right now, huh? Right, 70 pips running right now. Buy high also boleh fly, oi. 90 pips, guys. Jom collect. Easy, right? Fucking easy, right? It's fucking legendary shit, bro. How many pips is this? 90 pips. When it's a good day lah, guys. Right. When it's a good day, it can be fucking amazing. Anytime right now, you're gonna see a pop. So close, man. M15 bro, sells all after the daily OHLC is taken out, bro. 4800 has to happen, bro. Your QM is within the supply zone lah. So I believe that there is equal highs over here. Right, it's equal highs over here. Given the fact that H1 and M30, we had this bull flag breakout ready. Go and take this out first lah. Right, manipulate. Take this fellow also out here. Only then the fellow will probably react here first and then any drop. So this sells all basically is just to what I would say, induce. Aligns with daily OHLC. Correct, correct. I want you to sweep first, lah, bro. Sweep and then sell. I actually forgot it's Friday for a while, guys. Now that you told me, yeah, I'm like, oh, I shouldn't have risked that much. Damn. I think it's about to pump anytime right now, guys. Anytime right now, the pump is about to happen. Excuse me. My view set at what price? 4801, 4806, bro. Of course, there will be a small sell here first, right? You can see small sells around this zone first. 4896, 4894. Wait, 92 to 96. Of course, there's small sells here first, right? So when price goes, you probably reject, but eventually it'll break, sweep these highs here, right? Maybe potentially even sweep these highs here, right? If it's aggressive, right? Aggressive means boom, 31 only, then only the filler will drop. But there will definitely be a big sell-off lah, right? There will be a big sell-off. It's just that it's not yet, right? Currently, the face of the market is forming higher highs, higher lows on the lower time frame. Right, that particular trend. That's the more profitable thing to do. Once, let's just say I'm giving you an example, okay? Let's just say we continue pumping over here, right? First time, you don't know whether it's going to reject or not. It rejects, right? Rejects, cannot break, cannot create a lower low. It continues pumping. Then suddenly CC, it cannot form a higher high, right? It can't form a higher high here. Instead, this is your shadow, right? It forms a higher low, a lower high, and then it starts dumping. It creates a lower low. When it comes back here, this is your point of sell, and sell it down to the ground. So you wait for the sell to cook. For now, it's all the way buy Zini. Right, it's all the way buy Zini. See, I told you. We are due for the pump anytime now. What's happening to price? What's happening to price, guys? No, how's Trump's dance, huh? Yeah, this is the right celebration. Doge is not here. Doge is in a pet hotel, bro. Because we are in the midst of shifting. Pout your lips, bro. Hey guys, everybody profited or not? 5, 6? Not 5. 6 rounds of gold buys. The last one was an ultimate bonus. Oh, so I need to update that. That's 130. Right, 130 pips running right now. Six, seven. No, this is Trump, bro. This is Trump. Plan to sell at 95, bro. I personally, I will wait for this highs to be taken out first. Spike dulu. After the spike, when the structure is nice for sells, I will sell lah. So I won't counter trend. It might work out. It might be instant 100 pips. Instant 150 pips sells. Maybe. So if you want to take a risk to sell, up to you. For me, I will wait for the structure first. The structure can form a lower low. Baru dekat sini I sell. This is my entry for sell. No structure to sell. I won't. I won't do it. I was not here early, G. My loss. No worries, bro. It's okay. Hey guys, nobody made money on the trades. There's 61 of you guys on the live. I asked if anybody made money on the 6 rounds of gold buys. Not even 1% commented. Looks like it's about to be the end of my stream already lah. I might as well trade myself, bro. Correct or not? I already hit max. $400, nice. 300 euro. Oh, 300 pounds. That's nice. And the up down from just now. Made a profit of 12% of initial deposit. Amazing stuff, bro. I work 12 hours and I make 150 pounds. And in 2 hours, I made 300 pounds. That's the best one, bro. Hey, MD relax noise. Nah, that's the best one I've heard. Made 300 cents. Let's fucking go, bro. Honestly, that fucking feels amazing, bro. I made back my capital, bro. Almost from my account today. Okay. That's also a good win, bro. Bangsa Trump is cooking today. Instead of baby, you should have cigar in his face. Adoy. You're tempting me to go and buy a cigar after this, bro. Probably need to take a trip to Movanniish lah. The worst part is I have to go to... It's okay, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do. Right, you gotta do what you gotta do. Thanks, bro. Was at $300 today. Now I'm at 680. Amazing stuff. Oh, she's pumping! She's still pumping, guys. This one slowly right now. She just keep going up until the TP is hit. TP is at 4800, bro. 4800. 70 pips away. 60 pips away from TP. I just feel bad for one person, Anila. Can't remember his name though. Oh, I know. Bartholomew Rodriguez. I feel really, really bad for the bugger. He was targeting 4,700, bro. We are 1,000 pips away from that. That's gonna be a long way for him to hit his TP lah. Make 30 USD. Amazing stuff, guys. Amazing stuff. Bartolo is a character from Harry. I don't actually know, bro. Never really followed the series. I'm more of a Lord of the Rings person and a Narnia person. Harry Potter, I probably should start watching it lah. I never watched it. I probably watched like maybe the third episode, the third series, the third season, the third chapter of it. I don't know what you call it lah. I know Voldemort. And I think she's just eventually is gonna go up Anila. Now I don't want to find for any re-entries for buys right now already because it's a bit too risky. But we got the re-entries, the place where we wanted. Right, 6 total of 6 entries, which is pretty amazing. There should be another. Hold on, there actually should be a big sell-off after this. Not a big sell-off, but a big H1 shadow. H1. Okay. Makes sense. So I think has this trend line broken on H1? Trend line also breakout already, guys. Not yet, but this candle will break it out. This candle closes in another 26 minutes and gold can do some naughty fucking shit here. If this trend line breaks, if this trend line breaks, 400 plus pips. Yeah, bro. I mean, my friends in school, they sort of made Harry Potter seem like a very boring thing, bro. So I don't want to waste my time. Precisely, exactly as per the analysis that I did for you guys. I told you guys that we probably will see some temporary sells from 9.2 to 9.6. Came to 9.4. That sells is about what, 67 pips right now. It still could go down here, retest 82, probably take out this low here, come to this area here, right, come down to this area here, and then from here another one more push up. So the next re-entry buy will be at 4,777. Alright, 4,777 until 4,772. We use the M1 base lah. I'll probably take a zone slightly higher than that because sometimes it becomes too sharp. So we can go for a zone here. So 78 until 73 lah, guys. This would be where I would next take a re-entry for a buy, provided we don't go up here first. The moment we hit 4,800, buys are done. If it goes higher than that, okay. It's still respecting the trend in H4. You see, if I zoom out, right? If I zoom out, the trend on H4 starts from here. Right? This is your high. This is your low. This is your lower high. This is your lower low. So we are due to form a lower high somewhere here and then break to form a lower low somewhere here. That's the overall trend on H4, right? Major trend lah. Okay, major trend. Now if I go and I zoom in, there's a minor trend here on H4, which is after this dump, right? After this dump, there's a low here, there's a high here, higher low over here, higher high over here, higher low over here, higher high over here, higher low over here. We are due for another higher high, bro. Right, we are due for another higher high. So, in my personal opinion, right, I personally perceive that there could probably be another push till 4900 lah, right? But there could also be one till 5000, actually till here lah, because this is a fresh breakout point. Fresh breakout point plus trendline break here, retest already. Trendline break. What about this? I don't know, man. I'm looking at 5000 also being likely, bro. Right, 5000 also is likely lah for it to just form the lower high. Right, one last lower high here. If we extend a trend line on H4, sorry. If we extend a trend line on H4 from here and connect it like this, one last retest this trend line, we connect a trend line like this. I don't want to take this one. This one here, too much of shadows. Right, so this will be your H4 last retest, and then we are going to go all the way down. Right, from here, boom, breakout, pullback, entry, 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 until this lows. But the cycle right now is not for the sell yet. Maybe next week Monday, next week Tuesday, or next week Wednesday. One last retest here, and then we dump all the way down. That's my personal opinion lah, guys. Right, that's my personal opinion lah. Daily suggesting the same lah. Right, daily is suggesting the same. Yeah, it'll probably hit the weekly high. It'll probably sweep the weekly high to go to the daily breakout level. Right, you see a daily drop base drop here. Right, shift over to line chart. Drop base drop on the daily. So this one here is at 49.90. Right, so I personally still perceive we are still in the buying cycle. Not yet shift towards the selling cycle yet, but I think we are about to shift this coming week or whatnot lah. A lot of it heavily depends on whatever that develops between Iran, Israel, US. So we got to stay put on that particular narrative lah, guys. Right, so currently they've signed the memorandum to make peace. They've opened up the Strait of Hormuz, and then they've now closed back the Strait of Hormuz. So it's a little bit of an uncertainty what exactly is going to happen. But this development will continue ongoing. Next week it will continue. The week after it will continue. Generally, I don't think this is the end of the war just yet. I don't think there's any peace that has been made yet. So the moment the next missile is struck, the price will start dumping. For now, what is currently playing out in the market is this H1. We have this breakout, right? And then markets did a bull flag. Bull flag broke out. Right, so bull flag, the breakout was over here for the bull flag. And now on H1, this major trend line that connects this high to this lower high, it is in the midst of breaking out in the next 19 minutes. Right, so don't be surprised if price can come shadow all the way down here, 47.58, 47.59, and then boom, it goes all the way up. Because I think there is a flash dump. Right, it's just a flash dump, but it'll be one that can be pretty nice to catch lah. Don't be surprised if that happens. M15 has rejected from my sell zone, still forming higher highs, still forming higher lows, so it's still overall bullish. But yeah lah. That's the overall analysis, guys. Where's the fellow who said that the buys will break below 47.65? Error 404, brother man. These guys all will come at the time when they are running, 10 pip, 20 pip, their sells running profit, right? They'll be like, oh, no, it is going to go down. The news is the news. He said the news, guys. He bought the data, bro. Okay. Aduhai. Such a newbie. Data is bullish for USD and bearish for gold. How many times do they want to continuously keep getting manipulated? Nah, he's not on the live anymore, bro. Likely to happen lah, guys. Right, likely to happen. A flash dump here and then a pump. So monitor these two zones lah, 4775 and 4758. One of these two areas is where you'd want to place a re-entry buy lah. Right, I'm going to end my stream in a bit already. Any last questions that you guys have? I'll address your questions and then I'll end the stream, boys. And I'll see you guys back on Telegram. This is the first zone. Oh, instant no. Oh. Walao, 90 pips like that and the flag give. If you entered, secure immediately, guys. This is your first buy zone, 7.8 to 7.3, and the premiums is at, sorry, the discounted ones is at 60 until 55, right, 60 to 55. Currently, we have just came in for a very aggressive retest over here and has zero float from here. I didn't have the time to react and immediately pump. But that's just been the kind of day that we've had, guys. 100 pips on one M1. Mali. Would have been a Rhine pula. Would have been around 7, bro. This zone is nothing, bro. It's just an M1 base here. Right. This is your rally base rally. Breakout. This was your liquidity point. Sweep the liquidity. Tap the base. Immediate pump. So this one all you use for scalps. Hey, where you from? Meet up with Raja Banks. I'm from Malaysia, bro. So I met Raja the last time I went to Dubai. Yeah, closing like this, I think price would probably hunt this zone lah, guys. Right, it'll probably come here, hunt this, and then push up. I would entry here, bro. I won't entry here. I will probably take an entry here at 47.56. How many years have I been trading gold? 5? Oh, I have my entries here. Let me just BE this, guys. 60 to 55, guys. 60 to 55. So if it doesn't come there, that means it's not going to come there. It's just going to continue pumping. This is a high risk buy zone lah. Alright, from 78 until 73. If you want to enter, enter. If I take another entry tonight, it'll be down here. Otherwise, it'll probably be a buy high upon this breakout. Breakout pullback, I'll probably buy here lah, to target these higher areas. Because H1 has not closed and H1 has rejected and it's below the previous liquidity point right now. I don't really like this rejection that I'm seeing on H1, which is what's preventing me from buying. Plus I'm up for the day, so I don't really need to rush it here or push it here. But yeah, it's still a valid setup. Full-time trading, no other job. So I full-time for the past 3 years, bro. So I've been trading 5 years overall. I run businesses on the side. I do digital marketing. I invest into a couple of other offline businesses. So I get capital from there. Capital is good to sustain. It is. But you can say that I've pretty much been blessed with a bit of profitability over the past 2 years. That part of it is taken care of. I use Vantage and Valitex. Good word, Mang. It's a hard journey. It is, bro. It is. Definitely very hard. But it's worth it, bro. It's worth the stress. It's worth the hustle. It's worth the grind. Be doing more lives. Yeah, I'll be doing more lives. Make sure you guys that are not subscribed, you guys click on the subscribe button. That will help support the channel. And that will motivate me to do more live streams as well. Not HFM anymore. I do use HFM as well whenever I want to trade in EUR. Yesterday night I tried trading on HFM. I deposited like 80 euros, which is roughly about 100 US dollars. It was the mid-morning. I was a little bit bored. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to risk $100. Ended up cashing out $1,200. So I was like, okay. That was a nice ride. No, I'm not taking a re-entry here, bro. If I take my next entry, it'll be here. If I don't get an entry here, I'm not entering the markets anymore. Be now up to you guys. This is a zone. This is a buy zone. Right, 78 to 73 is one buy zone. There's another buy zone here at 60 to 55. So I will take this one. I won't take this one. But it's up to you guys. So if I miss this entry here, if I don't get this entry here and price rejects from here and go up, I'll buy high towards the upside. And your funds, you feel are safe to leave a good couple of thousands in your brokers? Yes, but only because I am well connected with the top management of the particular broker that I'm using now, both. Right, so I know their security level, I know their stability level, and I know their profitability level. And given the fact that I have insights to that makes me feel like, you know what? Of course, I don't keep all my money in there. I withdraw daily, if not weekly. So I don't use it as like a savings to keep my money in. Whenever I'm profitable, whatever that I've made, I withdraw it out. Lowest point up, bro. Let me mark it out as a zone for you guys. $60 until 55. Your first big initial deposit, what did you... My first big initial deposit, bro. In my first 2 years of trading, I did not deposit anything bigger than $500, bro. Because that's the only amount that I could afford. And I grew that into 73 cents, bro. It took me a week and a half for me to turn $500 into 73 cents. It was a lot of hard work to do that. Am I still using Bybit? Yes, I do. Especially their debit card. There is a cell that is formed here at 4782. H1 in another, what? 8 minutes. Then after the 500 blow, what was the reasonable opportunity? I kept trying, bro. Every time that I could afford a $500 deposit, I tried 500 USD deposit. Sometimes I would grow it. The maximum I would make was probably 100% of that. So 500 would make me 500. I would withdraw the 500, then I would lose back the 500. Then I will deposit again. Then I will lose again. So long story short, the first 2 years that I was trading, after multiple rounds of depositing and withdrawing and depositing and losing and depositing and withdrawing and depositing and losing, I was down a total of about 17,000 USD. And that was the period of time I was at a potential low of my life as well. Business wasn't working out well. You could consider me broke at the point of time. Clueless, didn't know what I wanted to do, but I definitely didn't want to quit. So I borrowed 3 months of time where I had my expenses sort of a bit covered. And I took that time to basically really study, really understand what was wrong with my system, what was wrong with my trading, what was wrong with the trades that I was taking, right? Figuring out the mistakes that I've made. And after that 3 months break, I tried trading back again. That time I decided to deposit $1,000. And it took me around 6 months with that just 1,000 USD deposit to recover back that 70,000 Malaysian ringgit or 17,000 USD that I was down. And then after that, I started trading smaller with $200 capital, with $100 capital. I started flipping. Then I understood the concept of risking lesser on my trades, not so much as $1,000 on each trade, so $500 on each trade. Because I came in the industry with the mindset that you have to have a lot of money to make money. I didn't know you could trade with $100. I didn't know you could trade with $200. So I figured out how do people do that. And when I figured that out, I learned how to keep my risk lesser off the table. And I started risking more and I started increasing my reward. And then yes, bro, long story short, took me around a year and a half to actually really understand myself as a trader, understand the psychology. And then I started seeing a bit of profit. And then, yeah, for the past 2 years, I've been profitable. Safe as in unnoticeable by... Bro, they don't have anything to say, bro. LHDN, they can't... it's... How to say? It's undetectable, bro. So unless, they ask you to log in, which they don't have the rights to do it because it's PDPA at the end of the day. But it's untrackable, unnoticeable, bro. So maybe the only thing that, could be of risk, which also the probability of that happening is very low, is you get stuck in a roadblock. And then there's a couple of, police guys there, they go through your phone and then they see this app. And that may become an issue lah. But aside from that, you don't have to worry about it, bro. Like it's untraceable, untrackable. I'm you at the time. Everybody has been here before, bro. As a trader, that is pretty much part and parcel. Very few traders that I know have a smooth sailing journey. Just deposit first time and then profit until they become a multi-millionaire. Very few, if not none. Everybody goes through those losses because those losses are not losses. Those losses are lessons. Every time you lose, it's a lesson to learn. So if you don't take that as a lesson, that's when you keep losing cluelessly. Yeah, that's good work, man. $500 worth flipping. Flipping worth it? It is, bro, of course. It's a personal with me, and it's crazy how time can compound, like what $500,000 can do over an 8 to 12 months period. So that consistency is what people lack, bro. Right? People don't have that patience. And that's usually the reason why they lose. So if you really dive deep and you really study every single trader out there, it's not that they can't trade. It's not that their strategy don't work. It's not that markets were crazy. It's not because of Trump. It's not because of the war. But it's because of them. Really, if you really were to analyze it, it's because of them. That lack of patience, that FOMO, that greed. It comes in ways that you yourself aren't able to identify if that's the reason that, you're losing until you really sit down and analyze. But that's usually the case lah. See Raja growing a $50 account, that means risk management is impeccable. 100%, bro. So meaning having the card and having the app is illegal lah. Damn, I did not know this. cannot say illegal lah, bro. But cannot say legal also, you know. You know that grey space that we Malaysians always is. You know, it's not legal, not illegal. It's there lah, bro. It's there lah. It's not 100% illegal. It's not 100% legal. You know, it's the hardest thing to wait. Maybe take 1 or 2 trades. If that a week, they were bangers. Bro, you catch a 1 to 5. You catch a 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. You risk. My risk is usually very diverse. Like, I don't take a 1%, 2% risk. Like, I don't believe in that. For me, my risk appetite is usually 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on the setup quality. So, you know, taking a 10% risk, a 1 to 6, that's 60%. Taking a 30% risk, a 1 to 5 or 1 to 6, that's 150, 200%. So trades like that will definitely appear every single week. It's just whether you're patient or not to hold it, to find it, to take it, to wait for it, and to let it play out. I'm 3 months in trading and I'm still down 1.6k, but good thing is that I was down 3k. So I'm happy enough to see the progression. So, bro, if you have been down, understand why you were down first. Not understand why the markets made you go down, but understand your decisions. What made you risk so much? What made you risk lesser? What made you layer so much? What made you layer lesser? What made you cut loss? What made you SL? What made you TP? Try studying that, bro. That will be really, really solid data. 4.3 to 5.3 a valid buy zone. It is. But I don't know if price will come as low as that or not lah. Illegal till now. I mean, Malaysia does have a couple of legal authorized exchanges. Like Luno is authorized decentralized exchange, or centralized exchange, I should say. Luno is there, MX Global is there, Synergy is there, Tokenize is there, Mumu is there. So these are the 5 apps that you can use to invest into crypto if you want to. But for you to trade like how we do short long positions, none. Malaysians don't provide leverage for crypto, right? They don't have a rule for that. So if you were to trade leverage with crypto, is that illegal? You guys answer like if it's illegal or not. If there's no guidelines for that, if there's no ruling for that, is that legal or illegal, guys? What does that mean? The emotional toll in this line is very heavy, bro. Indeed, bro. That's why it's not for the weak. It's not for the weak, bro. Alright. When I started trading, right? This is a true story, guys. When I started trading, that's when I realized that all the times I cried before, when I had a breakup, when my ex cheated on me, when she dumped me, all of that tears meant nothing. Because the tears that trading gives you, that is some kind of different pain, bro. That kind of pain is no breakup gives you that, bro. Subscribe, bro. Congratulations. Thanks for the chat from South Africa. See you around, buddy. All the best with your trades. Gotta grind even if it takes you 5, 6, 7, 8 years. 100%. Bro, it's what I'm going through now. No breakup gives you the kind of pain, bro. That's when I realized that, you know, I was just weak and trading made me stronger. So nothing can break me right now. Nothing offends me enough. Nothing. Gold has just fucked me so badly that nothing feels so hard to deal with right now, you know? It's just like, oh, okay. Oh, alright. Alright. Sampai merajuk habis trade. That's why you do live. We share our stress here. Untung 0.06 pun jadi. Janji untung, bro. Janji biru, bro. Janji biru, bro. Guys, price looks like it has formed a temporary bearish structure. Alright. So if you guys see this whole thing here, right, on M15, this looks like a overall bear flag lah. Right? From this big bull flag, currently we've got a bear flag. So of course, what we'll want is for price to just continue forming higher highs, higher lows, and keep pushing towards the upside, right? But we have a lot of resting liquidity around this area here, right? A lot of resting liquidity around this area here. Here, a lot of resting liquidity, right? So usually in this kind of market conditions, what I would do is that I will utilize Fibonacci, right? So we can extend a fib from the bottom. Oh my god, okay. I think we cannot do it on this chart. Let's do it on a different chart. I don't want my drawings to get messed up. Right, so we'll extend a Fibonacci. So you guys can see our 50% is at 47.63 and the 61.8. So this 61.8, this is the level that I want to use. Right, so I will have a zone. If it goes deep, it'll be as deep as this lah, 4744 until 4755. This will be a sniper zone, sir. Right, the snipers will be activated here. If I need to be very precise, it could be at 4752. So I would pretty much patiently wait for either price to break above, retest, and then continue buying high, because it's a Friday. So Friday is a day for us to just continue buying high, buying high, buying high, buying high. Or I will wait until a flash dump, a flash crash here, and then I will buy this back up. I'll buy here and I will ride it all the way back up. So I don't know which will happen. Judging by price action, this looks very likely right now. Right, the dump first, then the pump. But of course, if we can break back above and create a higher high, then buying here also would not be a much of a problem lah. Right, so it's time that will tell. I don't like the structure, honestly. M30 is not very clean. You guys can see on line chart also, it's not very nice over here. H1, the fact that we have rejected closed bearish doji, don't really like that as well. H4 is just H4 lah, right? We have a QM buy on H4, low, high, lower, low, high, high. H4 still respecting its overall bearish trend line, the one that you can draw from here. Right, so even though we tried breaking it out, still ended up respecting. Even the H1 trend line also, actually, if you see, right, even the H1 trend line also, the fella respected. Right, it closed within. So no breakout just yet. A little risky to trade right now. I'll probably end the stream here, guys, and I will see you guys back on Telegram. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. You'll find links on my YouTube that will lead you directly to my Telegram channel. That's basically where all the free stuff is. Daily signals, daily live trades, daily education. We have a channel where we flourish you with videos on exactly the way that I trade my strategy. It's called Wolf's Den. If you guys are part of Wolf's Den, amazing. If you guys aren't part of Wolf's Den, this is your sign. Get into Wolf's Den. We caught 7 entries today. Right, sorry, 6 entries today on the live. All 6 gave us 0 floats, and all 6 gave us more than 100 pips profit. We are waiting for the 7th one, which should be somewhere around here. I will update you guys and I'll keep you posted in Telegram. Thank you so much once again for joining in the stream, and I will see you guys when I see you guys next time. This is Movanniish from Wall Street signing out. Peace out, guys. One love. Let me just remove Trump. Peace out.